Hi guys, Charlie Zach here. This is a Chubby Bunny challenge. We are also so close to 50 subscribers, so if you like and subscribe, it's really helpful. Hope you enjoy. Hi guys, today we're here with the Chubby Bunny challenge. I'm Charlie Zach, and this is my brother Marley, the idiot. Thanks. Today we're doing the Chubby Bunny challenge, and it's quite old, but I'm gonna go first. 1 marshmallow. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. 1. Second marshmallow. Chubby Bunny. I'm struggling already. Chubby Bunny. 2. 3. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Again. What's disgusting? This is what kind of went wrong. We didn't have any bowls to spit the marshmallows out into, and yeah, it just went downhill from here. So yeah, I was going to edit this out, but I thought I'd just talk over it. Since we're so close to 50 subscribers, if you do want to like and subscribe, then do it. And I will also be playing a game on the 22nd of February. So yeah, hope you enjoy. 6. No, do that again. Yeah, I think challenge is over. Right, Marley won. That's disgusting. Yep, Marley won, and we still got some marshmallows left.
I'm gonna save these.
So, bye.